I just set up the most precious Easter centerpiece in 5 minutes by layering 4 things. I started with a grapevine wreath that has these artificial roses, carnations, kind of gardenias on it. And on top of that, added in these Easter lights. These are LED lights with a clear wire, and they bring in the Easter vibes with all of the pastels. So you've got your purples, your blues, your pinks, your yellows, your whites, and they integrate in so beautifully. And then I layered this satin bow garland as well. They're all connected together, pre-tied. Combination of those with these are rechargeable tea lights. They recharge with connection here. It just takes no time at all, but adds a little bit of fullness, and everything is pre-made, ready to go. Love that it's just such a happy Easter pink pastel. So easy, so beautiful, and couldn't be more happy with sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.